In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset the Instagram Explore page, okay? Let's get started. As usual, in this channel, we don't waste the time of our viewers. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Once you open the Instagram app, click on your profile picture here at the bottom. After doing that, click on the three bars to the top. We normally call them the hamburger sign, these three bars here. Now, scroll down. Just scroll down, then you will see this place for content preferences. Click on it. Then tap on sensitive content. Make sure that you see less of the sensitive content. Then the political content, you can turn this off or turn this on depending on your preferences. I don't know what your preferences. Then check interests. Now here you can add the post that you are interested in. If you don't like certain topics, make sure that they are not included in this section, okay? And then not interested, you can add content that you are not interested in. Maybe you don't like politics, or you don't like contents about food. Okay, it depends with your personality, okay? Then the next thing here, you can come here and click reset suggested content. By doing this, you will reset all the suggested content. If you click on this, then tap on reset suggested content, then tap on reset suggested content, okay? After doing that, click on your profile picture once again, then click on the arrow back button, okay? Just click on the arrow back button like this, then tap on the three bars once again, then scroll down, just scroll down, okay? I think I've missed it at the top here. Okay, let us just go back and check it once again. Okay, let's check it. Okay, this one, you will see this button for your activity. Tap on it. Then now by here you can see what you've been doing on Instagram, maybe what you liked. Now you can unlike those videos if you want your content to be reset to the normal settings, okay? Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.